I worked at a resort here, Ocean City, Maryland, where in the 70s they were building condos. So I was down there working for $2 an hour on high rises. Basically, I never made any money. Busting your tail and you're not making any money. I always loved the outdoors, and I decided, well, I'll try crab potting just like for a couple years. I mean, I said, how hard can it be? It was a lot more to it than I ever thought. On a nice day, you can't beat it out there. I like being out on the bay, and at 30-some years later, I'm still doing it. It's not as easy as you think it is. I found that out when I got into it, because I never did it before. A lot of guys that get into it work for somebody else for a while. It's a lot to be successful. I mean, it's how fast you can go. Of course, I'm getting older. I don't go as fast as I used to. As far as working longer, you can't no more because you have a time limit now. It used to be you could work longer, harder than the next guy. You can work harder, but you can't work longer. The equipment is the main thing. The people who got more equipment or better equipment can make a lot more money than you can. Yeah, like I said, I never made any money until I bought the cat motor. No breakdowns, your fuel bill was cut in half, and so I've been using these engines since 1985. Yeah, every 250 hours I change the oil. Everything is a 2-hour drive or more to get Caterpillar filters. I don't like traveling no more at my age, you know. I like using myparts.cat.com because it's fast, it's easy, and I don't have to leave my house. Just order it online, it's there the next day. My name is Windy Karpavage. I live in Taylor's Island, Maryland, and I crab pot for a living.